Advanced Gunslinger Armament here. Today we're doing a tutorial for all of you southpaws out there. How to configure your hybrid instant transition sling for a left-handed shooter. We oftentimes get questions about what sling was that in the video. Today we're utilizing the Mark II as evidenced by the pull knob QD in the Desert Digital pattern with an HK hook as the primary attachment. You want to begin by laying out your sling so that your attachment points are away from you, so that your primary attachment is on your right hand side, your secondary attachment is on your left hand side. Start by tracing out the webbing that leads to your primary attachment. Simply remove it from the plastic tri-glide first, then remove it from your T-buckle. Next, completely remove your primary attachment and then continue to trace out that webbing from your T-buckle, so that you now have an open sling. Next, flip over the T-buckle, do the same thing with your back strap, and then with your tensioner, rotate it under and leave it on its side so that the pull tab is lying on the outside right hand portion of your sling. Trace out that back strap so that way you can ensure there's no twists in it. Then with your left hand, grab that back strap and rotate over. With your right hand, grab the T-buckle, and you want to come up through the top slot of your T-buckle. And then you're going to go down through the bottom slot of your T-buckle. Next, take your primary attachment and you want to flip up that elastic protective covering. You're going to come up through that primary attachment. Then you're basically just going to follow that webbing back the same way you came in. So it's going to go from the bottom up through that lower slot of the T-buckle. Now this part is important right here. You want about an inch of space from your T-buckle to your primary attachment. And then you can go ahead and flip down that elastic protective covering. Then continue to contour the existing sling, going down through the top slot of the T-buckle, and then you're going to use this plastic tri-glide to stow that excess webbing. So you go up through, down through, and then what I like to do as an extra precaution, just to make sure it's in there nice and tight, I go one more time up and over, down and through. So up and over, down and through. Now that it's configured for a left-handed shooter, that shooter is simply going to punch their right arm through, up and over the head, onto the left shoulder, so that your quick disconnect is on your right side and your primary attachment is right up there by your left hand. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. Upgrade your sling today at www.advancedgunslinger.com.